In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Mailchimp account and get started with their platform. First, you'll want to navigate to Mailchimp.com, the starting point for all your email marketing needs. Once you're there, take a moment to click the Sign Up Free button. It's prominently displayed and invites you to join Mailchimp without any initial cost. This free registration is perfect if you're just starting or testing out their services. Next up, you'll need to provide some basic information. Go ahead and enter your email address, a preferred username, and a secure password. For your password, make sure to include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Once you've filled out these details, submit the form to move on to the next step. After you've signed up, you'll need to confirm your email address. Check your email inbox for a message from Mailchimp. It should arrive shortly after registration. This email contains a confirmation link. Click on this link to verify your email address and activate your account. Verifying your email is crucial as it helps Mailchimp ensure that you're the legitimate owner of the provided email. With your email confirmed and account activated, it's time to log in. Enter your credentials, your username and password into the login fields on the Mailchimp site. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by Mailchimp's Setup Wizard. This feature is designed to guide you through the initial setup to personalize your experience and ensure your account is ready to go. The Setup Wizard will walk you through adding your personal and business information. It's important to input accurate information as this will be linked to your Mailchimp account and any campaigns you decide to launch. The Setup Wizard is user-friendly and intuitive, focusing on creating a seamless onboarding experience. And there you have it, a freshly set up Mailchimp account ready for you to begin exploring features like creating email campaigns, managing contacts, and analyzing your marketing efforts. If you encounter any issues along the way, don't hesitate to consult Mailchimp's help resources or support center. They offer a wealth of information and assistance to troubleshoot the most common issues users face. Now you're all set to discover the powerful tools Mailchimp offers to help grow your business. Enjoy the journey into the world of email marketing, and thank you for watching this guide to setting up your Mailchimp account.